Hi everyone, Master Danny here. I'm going to show you guys how to tie your belt double wrap style. If you guys are a black belt, you know that your name has to finish on the left side. So actually start the name on the right side. You're going to grab about a quarter of your belt, place it on your left hip. Then at this point, you want to hold on to that side, wrap around twice. There's one, there's two. Then you'll notice that you have 3 layers right here. So you want to take the 3 layers, bring it to the front, take the outermost layer of the belt, under, then through. This is your first knot. At this point, you want to balance things out, make sure they're not exactly the same, but similar length. Then you'll notice that one side goes up, the other side goes down. The one that goes down, flip over. The one that points up, since it's pointing up, place it on the top. The one on the top, through the loop, and tighten.